Hi there, Hare here with my January Wild Hair Kit. So this month, I'll read you what I wrote in my style profile. I'm not going to go through the style profile completely, but I'll just read kind of what I asked for in this kit. So I said I'm currently working on a Valentine's Day advent calendar for a pen pal. I'll be making DIY embellishments along with packaging everything super pretty for her to open 14 days of goodies starting February 1st. I want a very themed kit since it'll be used for projects for this calendar. I'm open to collections, but I'm always partial to create paper products when I'm going themey. So, and then I said, I want a super pretty Valentine's Day themed kit. 6x6 papers are preferred over 12x12 papers. I'd love lots of embellishments like stickers and die cuts that I could create DIY embellishments / tags / cards with. So now we'll dive into my kit here. So Allison always puts a little note down here, and she wrote, "Hi Kira, as requested, this month is all about Valentine's. I made sure to load you up on Crate Paper's Main Squeeze collection because I know that's just your style. I did include one 12x12 paper. The specialty paper from Main Squeeze was too cute to pass up. And you'll have lots of 6x6 papers and embellishments to keep you crafting this month. Enjoy, Allison." So let's just jump right into it. So first off, we've got some baker's twine, some pink baker's twine, which will be perfect for packaging this month. So some pink baker's twine and then a little flare that's like a little typewriter, which is super cute. And it says love, so it goes along with the Valentine's theme I asked for. We've got the Pebbles. I'm not sure what is their Valentine's Day collection called this month or this year. I'm not sure, but it's a Pebbles Valentine's Day collection, and these are the die cuts, so you can see everything that's included in that. Lots of gold foiling, and of course just like pinks and reds and stuff, which is kind of what I was anticipating with the Valentine's Day collection, so I think that's really cute. We've got the Main Squeeze ephemera, which is super cute, and it's got a lot of gold glitter, and it's got like these gold sequin hearts in here, which are really cute. And yeah, Crate Paper stuff is always just adorable, so that'll be fun to work with this month. Also from the Main Squeeze collection are the stickers. So there's like these gold foiled hearts, and then some of them have different colors in the center of them, so those are really cute, and those will be perfect for DIY embellishments. And then you get a second page, which you get all these X's and O's, which are super cute too, and then all the Happy Valentine's Day phrases, which will be great for cards and tags and stuff, so those are adorable too. And then for my paper, I got, like she said, the Main Squeeze specialty paper, which I don't know if you can really tell. It's like these little glitter hearts that are like little starbursts. They're super cute, you guys. I love them. So that's a really cute paper. And then this is the Pebbles. Again, I'm not sure what the collection is called, but the 6x6 paper from that Valentine's Day collection. So I love the colors in this too, because it's got some of the teal aqua color in there, along with the pinks and the reds, and how cute is that plaid? These are like little tiny hearts, you can see that. And itty bitty tiny X's and O's, which is really cute. And these, they look like polka dots, but they're little hearts. It's really cute. I love this paper. It's like a grid paper, but then it's got like these florals on it. I think that's really cute. X's and O's, and some of the O's are little like, they look like little heart cookies almost, little sprinkles on them. This floral is really cute. It's so delicate and tiny. I love that. Little polka dot. And this little scripty font's cute. It's like an ombre, and then it's like, I really, really like you, love is in the air, I could hug you all day, if I could, always love. So that's really cute. Some more florals, which are really cute, and these would actually be really good to fussy cut for DIY embellishments, so you probably will see me do that. Some more little words, which are really sweet. A cut apart sheet, this will be great for DIY embellishments or tags, so that'll be a good one. This will also be good for fussy cutting, all these little like conversation hearts. I really like that. And then a stripe. So that is my wild hair kit for the month of January. Very themey, very Valentine's Day. So I'm really excited. I can't wait to start playing with it. So I hope you guys like this, and make sure to check out the wild hair kits. I will link them down below, and I will see you soon. Bye.